If you're trying to connect Razorpay to LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. I'll show you step by step how to do it quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to integrate the two, but you'll also have an exclusive bonus on a better solution, so stick around. First, let's talk about what Razorpay and LearnWorlds are. Razorpay is a payment gateway that lets you accept online payments seamlessly. LearnWorlds, on the other hand, is a platform for creating and selling online courses. Connecting these two will allow you to streamline your payment process on your course platform, making it more efficient. Now, the first thing you'll need is a Razorpay account. If you don't have one, head to their website and sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure you have your business details ready for verification. Once you're in, you'll have access to your Razorpay dashboard where you can manage payments and view reports. Next, head over to LearnWorlds. You need to log into your LearnWorlds admin dashboard. Once you're in, click on the Settings option, and under the Payment section, you'll see an option to connect a payment gateway. Choose Razorpay from the list of available options. Next thing, when you select Razorpay, you'll be asked to provide API keys. You can find these by logging into your Razorpay account, going to the Settings menu, and under API keys, you'll see the keys you need. Copy these keys and paste them into the appropriate fields in LearnWorlds. After that, hit Save in LearnWorlds to confirm the integration. If everything is done correctly, Razorpay should now be connected to your LearnWorlds account. You can now accept payments for your courses directly through Razorpay, which will be reflected in your LearnWorlds platform. Now, before we wrap up, I've got to point out a couple of things. While this integration is relatively simple, it's not always as smooth as it seems. Both Razorpay and LearnWorlds have their own quirks, and you might run into some issues with transaction reporting or currency settings, especially if you're dealing with multiple countries. Next thing, Razorpay, although great, has a transaction fee that might add up over time, depending on your volume. If you're scaling fast, these fees could be a concern for you. LearnWorlds, too, can be a bit rigid in its course platform structure compared to other options on the market. So, here's where it gets interesting. There are some better alternatives out there that integrate more seamlessly and come with additional features that Razorpay and LearnWorlds might not offer. I've researched a few options that not only connect well, but also help boost your course sales and payment management. And these alternatives come with their own free trials, perfect for anyone trying to get started without jumping into costly subscriptions. I'll leave a link to get an extended free trial of these alternative platforms in a description. Trust me, you'll want to check them out. Through that link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. So, if you're looking for a smoother, more feature-rich experience, definitely give those alternatives a try. Check the description for more details on that and to claim your extended free trial. Thanks for watching and happy course creating!